Received this from a company that will be in the description because I don't know how to say the name and I don't want to butcher it. But they are electric heated socks. This is pretty exciting because I have some trips planned in the future here coming up. Going to Yosemite and we're going to Lake Tahoe. And these will be great to use because it's probably going to be cold and possibly snowy. Now, you could actually control these with an app, and also there's batteries that you can go for a quick fix. So if you want to put the batteries in, turn it on, it activates it and it heats it up. But if you want to be more detailed, you have an app you can download, which I'll show you, and you can control the heat of it. So if it's getting too hot, you can tone it down, or if you want it hotter, you could pump it up. So anyways, let's go ahead and see what's in the box and check them out and see the quality and all that fun stuff. Little user guide. As you can see, it's detailed. Two batteries for each foot. You have a charging cable. USB goes to your USB-C. We got a cute little bag here that it's see-through and it's ventilated, so if you have your heated socks and they're all stinky and smelly and sweaty, put them in here and you can hang it up and they will air dry. That's kind of nice. Here it is. What you've been waiting for. Ooh, wow. These are really, really heavy duty. Thick. I think using them without the heat will do its job right there. So let's go ahead and put one there. Let's grab a battery. So you'll plug it here. Right there. Not bad. As you can see, the little squirrely lines, that's the heating area. It's on the sole of your feet. See the heel there? And then you get them on your toes too. And you just wash this. Easy maintenance, won't mess it up. You can just wash it, take out the battery, of course. Wash it and hang dry it. Let's go ahead and put them on and see how they feel. Feel good. Oh yeah. Little button. Activate. There it is, full blast, baby. Let's see how they do. Ankle's cracking. There they are. Yeah, they feel warm. You have them on your toes here, and then underneath on your foot, bottoms of your feet. It's all warm. Let's see what it's like when you put a shoe on. Oh, man, these feel great. So comfortable. Might have to take a nap. But yeah, they feel great. They're put the battery in, and then you can also control it, as you saw, with your app. And it's pretty cool because I could be hiking, pull out the phone, control it. If it's getting too hot, tear it down. Or for some reason, if I want my right foot or my left foot just warm at a certain temperature, I could individually control it. So yeah, I am digging these. Really comfortable. Comfortable socks. Heating works. And yeah, not much to it. I'm excited to use these. Like I said, I'm going to Yosemite, I'm going to Lake Tahoe. I actually have a hockey game tomorrow. Maybe I'll put these on and give it a shot. See the durability of it. I don't know, so many things I can do. But for now, I am satisfied. I am happy. Pick yourself one up in the description. Click the link and you will find it. You'll get a percentage off. By clicking that link, it'll take you right to the Amazon store, and you will get a discount because you're watching this video. For more videos like this, subscribe, give this video a like, and leave me a comment if you got these, and let me know your thoughts. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.